Easy DIY crafts for home decor, a fun and affordable way to revamp your living space. Are you tired of staring at the same old decor in your home? Do you want to add a personal touch to your living space without breaking the bank? Look no further than Easy DIY crafts for home decor. DIY crafts for home decor have become increasingly popular in recent years, and for good reason. They allow you to add your own unique style to your living space while also being budget-friendly. Plus, crafting is a fun and relaxing activity that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. In this video, we will showcase some simple and easy DIY crafts that can be done at home to spruce up your living space. From wall art to planters, these crafts are perfect for beginners and do not require any special skills or tools. All you need is a few basic materials and some creativity. One of the crafts featured in the video is a macrame wall hanging. Macrame is a type of textile produced using knotting techniques. It has become a popular trend in recent years and can add a bohemian touch to any living space. In the video, we will demonstrate how to make a simple macrame wall hanging using only a few materials such as rope and a dowel. Another craft featured is a painted vase. This is a great way to add a pop of color to your living space without spending a lot of money. All you need is a plain vase and some paint. We will show you how to create a unique design using painter's tape and acrylic paint. If you're looking to add some greenery to your living space, we will also demonstrate how to make a simple planter using a mason jar. This is a great way to repurpose old jars and add a touch of nature to your decor. The video will also include tips on how to personalize your DIY crafts. For example, if you're making a wall hanging, you can choose a specific color or pattern to match your decor. Or if you're making a planter, you can add a label with the name of the plant. In conclusion, DIY crafts for home decor are a fun and affordable way to revamp your living space. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crafter, there are plenty of projects to choose from. So grab some materials, unleash your creativity, and get crafting.